Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to guess the weights of few items and we are going to match with it correctly. The first example given is guess their weights and match. Let us see what are the things given and what are the weights given. So the first thing is mango, then elephant, then dog, then a sack with grains, a cow, and then suitcase. The weights given are 10 kg, 400 kg, less than 1 kg, more than 1000 kg, 80 kg and 2 kg. We know that kg is nothing but kilogram. Okay, now we are going to match with the correct things with the correct weight. Now let us take mango first. So it's given only one mango. So weight of the mango will be less than 1 kg. Okay, so we are going to match it with less than 1 kg. Now we are going to see the next thing, that is elephant. So elephant is too big, right? So it will not be 400 kg, it will not be 10 kg, it will not be 80 kg, it will not be 2 kg. So it will be weighing more than 1000 kilograms. So its weight of elephant is more than 1000 kilograms. Next we'll see a puppy. So puppy is very little thing, right? So it will be weights will be very less, but it is not too less, right? So it's not less than 1 kg. So it will be 2 kg. Okay, so next is given a bag of grains. So a bag of grains will certainly not be 80 kg or will certainly not be 10 kg. So it will be a 400 kg. Next is a bull. Okay, so the weight of bull is 80 kg. Okay, so now let's go to the final thing, that is suitcase. So it's not less than 1 kg, it will not be more than 1000 kg, it will not be 80 kg. So we cannot lift it, right, if it is 80 kg, and we cannot lift it even if it is 400 kg. So it will be 10 kilogram. So we have matched all the things correctly with their weights. Now let's see the next example. Guess which of the following things weigh more than 1 kilogram, which one will weigh less than 1 kilogram. So kilogram is nothing but kg. So the things given are your school bag, and then geometry box, a brick, a pumpkin, a big pumpkin, your pair of slippers or shoes. Okay, so now we are going to guess the weight of the things. Okay, so the first thing given is school bag. So if you take your school bag, what you will keep it inside? All your books, box, notebooks, everything will be inside your school bag. So certainly the weight of your school bag will be more than 1 kilogram. Okay, so next let us see brick. Okay, a brick will be weighing much, right? So it will not be less than 1 kilogram. So it will be more than 1 kilogram. Next given is a big pumpkin. So big itself indicates it's very big, right? So if it's a small pumpkin, you can say that it may weigh less than 1 kilogram. But in the question itself, they have given a big pumpkin. So it will be weighing more than 1 kilogram. Okay, so the next item given is your geometry box. What the things you'll keep inside the geometry box? Yes, scale you'll keep, pencil you'll keep, eraser, sharpener, few other geometrical items. So which all together will be weighed less than 1 kilogram. So geometry box weighs less than 1 kilogram. Now we'll look into the slippers or shoes. So it will be very weightless, right? If you put more than 1 kilogram, your slipper itself will be weighing more, so you cannot walk. So your slippers or shoes weight will be less than 1 kilogram. Next example is use your balance to find which of the following is heavier. So they have given a water bottle or a cricket ball, your shoe or your pencil box, your math book or your Hindi book, your bag or your friend's bag. Now let us see one by one. So the first thing given is water bottle or a cricket ball. So here is a balance. So on one side of the pan I have kept the cricket ball, and the other side I have kept a water bottle along with water. So here the water bottle goes up and the cricket ball goes down. So if the water is spilling out, so your bottle will get emptied. So if your bottle is emptied, so it will be weightless. So the weightless object goes above, the weighted object comes down. So a cricket ball is heavier than a water bottle. If it is empty bottle, then its weight will be less. So the pan goes up. The pan with more weight will come down. So here cricket ball comes down and the pan with water bottle goes up. So we can say cricket ball is heavier than a water bottle. Okay, next one given is your shoe or your pencil box. So here your shoe is heavier than your pencil box. A pencil box will have few items whose weight is very less. That will be in grams. So the weight of pencil box is less. See here if you keep a pencil box, the pan goes up, the pan with shoe comes down. So your shoe will be somewhat heavier than your pencil box. Okay, so shoe is heavier than the pencil box. So next thing given is your math book and Hindi book. See, usually Hindi book will have only fewer pages and so it weighs less. So the pan with your Hindi book goes up and math book will have so many pages, right? So it will be weighing more. So your math book will be heavier than your Hindi book. So the weighing the math book will come down and the pan with your Hindi book will go up. Okay, the next one given is my friend's bag and your bag. See, your friend's bag is here and your bag is here. Your friend's bag is very little bag and your bag is very big, so that you can keep all the books inside your bag. So your bag will be more weight compared to your friend's bag. So your bag is heavier than that of your friend's bag. So the pan with your bag goes down and the pan with your friend's bag goes up. Hope you have understood how to guess the weight of the given objects based on their structure or their appearance. So now if you are placing it in the pan, if the weight of the object is more, the pan placing that object will come down and the pan with the less weight objects will move up. So with all these things you can guess the weight of the given objects, or also you can compare weight of the two given objects very easily. Thank you for watching this video.